Al-Qura University, Makkah, Saudi Arabia. Complete admission guide for international students. Today, I will guide you step by step on how to apply for admission to Al-Qura University in Makkah, Saudi Arabia, one of the most prestigious Islamic universities in the world. First, let's understand why Al-Qura University is special. Located in the holy city of Makkah, this university is widely known for its excellence in Islamic studies, Arabic language, Shariah, and also modern academic programs. Many international students dream of studying here, especially those who want to deepen their knowledge of Islam. Now, let's move to the application process. Step 1. Choose your program. Before applying, you need to decide which program you want to study. Al-Qura University offers undergraduate, master's, and PhD programs. Popular fields include Islamic Studies, Arabic language, Quran studies, and Islamic law. Step 2. Check eligibility requirements. For undergraduate programs, you must have completed your higher secondary education or equivalent. For postgraduate programs, you need a relevant bachelor's or master's degree. Also, you may need proficiency in Arabic, especially for Islamic courses. Step 3. Prepare your documents. This is very important. You must gather all required documents before applying. These usually include academic certificates and transcripts, valid passport copy, passport size photographs, birth certificate, recommendation letters for higher studies, personal statement or motivation letter, medical certificate. Make sure all documents are clear, valid, and officially attested if required. Step 4. Apply online. Visit the official website of Al-Qura University and go to the admission section. Create an account, fill out the application form carefully, and upload all your documents. Take your time while filling the form. Any mistake can cause rejection. Step 5. Wait for the selection process. After submission, the university will review your application. If selected, you may receive an email or notification from the university. Step 6. Visa process. Once accepted, you will need to apply for a student visa to Saudi Arabia. Follow the instructions given by the university and your local Saudi embassy. Now, let's talk about important tips and things to remember. Always apply early. Deadlines are very important. Double-check your documents before submission. Improve your Arabic language skills. This will greatly increase your chances. Write a strong and sincere motivation letter explaining why you want to study there. Stay updated by regularly checking the official website. Also, remember that many programs, especially Islamic Studies, may offer scholarships for international students. These scholarships often include tuition, accommodation, and sometimes even a monthly allowance.